YouTube, it's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. And today's video is a makeup video. If you couldn't tell by the title, I get to play with some items that I got out of my Ipsy November Glam Plus bag. So if you want to see the look that I create today, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So we're going to go on and get started and start by priming the eyes. And I'm going to prime my eyes using the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. And I really do like this. I got it in one of my Boxy Charms. I can't remember which month. But I really do like this primer. It just like really holds and sticks all my shadows all day long. And yes. Love it. And your girl's a little oily, and this kind of does control some of the oil too, which I wasn't sure about. Ooh, I feel like I got something in my eye. But yeah, so I'm just going to get that all over my lid and, you know, crease wherever I'm going to put some shadow. Okay, get that on there. And now we are going to, yay, go into my Violet Boss palette that I got in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag. If you have not seen that video, I will link that up above. But it's a really cute 6 shadow palette, and it does come with a mirror. But yeah, this is the palette that I will be using today. And for the first shade that I'm going to use, I'm going to go into this Teddy, which is a nice little brown shade. Right there, Teddy. And just kind of dust off. And there is some fallout, y'all. And we're just going to use that in the crease. And just kind of go for a nice little brown look today. Nothing, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Because I am wearing brown, as you can see. Have on one of my outfits from Fashion Nova, from one of my Fashion Friday hauls. If you have not seen that, I will link that in the cards as well. If you do not know, on Fridays I do Fashion Friday hauls. So I purchase stuff from Fashion Nova, other clothing places and so forth, and try the clothes on. I think I might upgrade and start doing like lookbooks and pairing outfits together, how I'd wear certain shoes or shirts and stuff like that, because I literally do it like straight like Fashion Fridays, straight up like if I'm at home by myself doing them, just trying it on, seeing how it fits and looks, so I don't really pair it with anything. But I think I might change that. What do you guys think? So I got that in the crease, and next up we're gonna go into Chocolate. And I think I'm going to use this brush from Morphe. Doesn't have a number or anything on it, so I'm not sure. And I'm going to go into Chocolate, which is this nice deeper brown. It's more of a reddish brown. It's a little darker. And just, yeah, see? It's a little darker. And just kind of drag that in to the crease. You can fan that out if you want to. I'm kind of like a round girl. Okay. That looks really good. I love that brown. You see how deep and rich, and it's just so pretty. So I'm just going to put that in this area right here. And then just sweep that into the crease. And see, it's going directly into my crease. It's going right under that transition shade. And we're just going to get that color, that dark color. Nice kind of brown smoke going. Super easy. Just blend, 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 blend. That is the key. Just concentrate the color where you want it to be concentrated, and then just blend it out. Okay. That is so pretty. Really pretty. Okay, so now I want to go into another shade that's not into the palette. I want to use this Julep eyeshadow cream to powder eyeshadow stick, and I did get this in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag as well, but it's the Jalip. I'm not sure if you guys can read that. And it's an eyeshadow cream to powder stick, and this one is in bronze shimmer, and I want to put this right here. And I love how it's on a stick because honey saves some brushes, so save some cleaning up. I'm just gonna put that all on my lid. Ew, look at that. So easy to put on. I like that. So I'm gonna put that all on my lid. Try not to go too high up. I like this stick. And I think I have another one in a darker color. I'm not sure. I have to go in there and search. But I like this. Goes on really nice. So I'm going to go back into Teddy, which is that light brown shade. And just make sure we clean up everything. And yeah. So make sure everything gets nice and cleaned up. And next, I'm going to take another Morphe brush. This is like a flatter brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Champagne. Right here. And we're going to go into this inner corner just to brighten that out. Because this Champagne is a really pretty color, y'all. It's really pretty and it's really bright. I like that. Alright. Just gonna blend that Champagne into that bronze color. Super cute. So now I'm going to take, I do not know what this brush is called. I just call it a pencil, pointer, bullet, whatever. You know, it's a really, it's a pointer brush. Shoot, it's pointy, right? But I'm going to use this under on my lash line, my bottom lash line. I'm going to take that color, Chocolate, and just kind of bring that on down at the bottom right here to bring the eye together. Super cute. I really do like this Chocolate color. It is so pretty. It's like a reddish brown. It's not burgundy, and it's not like, I don't know, a burnt orange or anything. It's a reddish brown. I really do like it. I like it a lot. Alright. So now I'm going to take the Jalip bronzing pencil, and we're going to bring that in the middle right there. Try not to get it on my lashes. And it is getting on my lashes, so don't like that. And we're going to use the flatter brush that we used, the Champagne shade, and take some more of that and put that at the bottom too. Kind of tie the look together, okay? Bring the top down to the bottom. We want the looks to match. I'm just going to drag that down. Alright. So we're good with that. Now I just need to line my eyes. And I'm going to line my eyes using my Flirty Girl Lashes Luxury Bonding Eyeliner. If you have not picked one up, I suggest checking us out. This is like the best thing next to lash adhesive, like literally. And it's not just because it's my product, because other people sell them as well. But I am having a sale all month long for November. We're having Black Friday sale, so I would definitely check us out because this will be on sale. And you can get it at a discounted price. But yeah, you see how black it is? It goes on nice and smooth. I love the felt tip pen. And it's just like a little glue. Now, you could use this to do the wing on your eye as well. But since it has an adhesive in it, I'm going to take my Betty Boop times Ipsy drawn to your eye liner, that I got in one of my Ipsy bags when they were having their Betty Boop specials going on. That's the box that this came in. And I'm just going to do my wing with this. Okay, so now that I got that on, I'm going to take my lashes, and these are in Seductive, and just pop them on. So all I have to do is no glue or anything on here, as you can see, and I'm just going to pop them on, and they're going to stick right on to my liner. Just like that. Super easy, you guys. So if you're like in a rush, or if you're a person that's not really has wanted to try lashes but just never got the hang of adhesive and stuff of that nature, this will be for you, because literally you know how to draw a black line. You don't even have to be a wing liner because it's not going on the wing. Just draw it on a black line and pop them on. So I'm gonna go on and do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have both my eyelashes on, they are lined, everything's in place, we are going to use my Thrive mascara and just put some mascara on the bottom lashes. I like to put mascara on my bottom lashes, especially when I'm wearing some big lashes, because I like, you know, them to kind of be pronounced and stand out. And then I did get some makeup on them, so let's get them nice and pronounced. Alright, so now that we have that on, we are going to work on the lips, because I did get some lip products from them. So what I'm going to use, I have two colors here, and I'm not sure which one I want to wear. I really don't know which one I want to wear. More is like a brown, more is like a pinky brown. They're both from ColourPop. I'm not sure. Alright, we're going to go with the darker one. So, let's see. So, this one does not have a name on it because, as you can tell, it's worn off because I use it a lot. It's almost empty. But we're going to go on and put this on my lips. Okay. Probably should have lined my lips, but I always do that. I always forget to line. And I'm using a liquid lipstick. And this one, yeah, I need to get another one because it is kind of drying out. But I don't know the name of it. Alright. Yeah, it's kind of drying out. So I'm going to have to go through like one of my old videos from probably like 2 years ago to see what the name of this is. You know what? I bet you it's in my very first video that I actually did for YouTube, because I had a whole bunch of ColourPop liquid lips, and I did a whole swatching video. That was my very first video. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out. It's bad lighting, everything, but it was like the very first video I ever did on YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna check that out and see if I can get the name of this color, because this is me. That's why it's empty. Alright, I'm just making sure I got everything I need to get. Alright, so now I got these 3-in-1 lip sparkle balms by Gurl, if I'm saying that right, Gurl. And I got 2 of them. And so basically I wasn't sure how you use this, but it says apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over a liquid lipstick, or the lip sparkle on its own. So you can wear it on its own, but I wanted to put it over a lipstick. And I'm not sure which one I want to use, so I'm just going to swatch. This one's more like a pinky sparkle. It has some purple iridescent colors. And this one's kind of like a clear silver sparkle. Can y'all see that? So I think I'm going to go with this one. And we're going to put that on top of this and see how it goes. Whew, I'm kind of nervous, y'all. So. Ooh. That's pretty. I don't even think I need to put this lip gloss on because it is like a balm. Your thing will get dirty. So just clean that off. And yeah. Do y'all see that? How it just gave it like a little sheen and some sparkle to it. This is the finished look. Super cute. I'm loving my lips. They look so juicy, okay? And this for this to be a liquid lipstick too. Ooh, like juicy. So I'm gonna try these 3-in-1 lip balm things without the lipstick and see how it looks on my lips. But I just love how juicy and moisturizing it is and the little sparkles that it gave. Super cute. Ooh, got a little brush hair right here. One of my brushes was shedding. But this is the eye look that I created with my Violet Voss palette. And I really do like it. Super cute. Super flattering. Goes with what I'm got going on today. I'm really not going anywhere, but I wanted to play with some makeup. But yeah, this is a super cute palette. Super fun. And it has a little mirror. And great colors for this fall and winter season. So yeah, and you can actually use these colors year round. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, it is fall and winter season, so yeah, I am very pleased. So yeah, comment down below how you like this look, or you think I should have created something different. Let me know your comments or your thoughts in the comment section, okay? But that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.